everybody, it's EDdocgamer coming at you with a review of the DJI Mic microphone and transmitter combo package. The DJI Mic is a wireless microphone system for content creators and vloggers and comes in a really cool package, which contains two high-quality microphone transmitters, the charging case, and a receiver. The system also comes with adapters that allow you to connect your receiver to your phone, the DJI Action 2 camera, and a PC or Mac. The system is similar to Apple AirPods, with a case that charges all of the receivers and transmitters so that they're ready to go when you are. The two wireless microphone transmitters are already paired to the receiver, but can be repaired if necessary by pressing the link button on the side. In addition to the microphone, the transmitters include an input so you can plug in a lavalier mic, a record button to record backup audio directly to the device, and a power button for activating it and muting it, as well as a USB-C port to extract the audio from the transmitters. Batteries are rated about 5.5 hours of use. The signal range of the DJI Mic is amazing. We're talking 250 meters of range, giving you more than enough distance for most projects. One of the greatest features, however, is the safety channel setting. It will take your stereo pair and turn it into two mono channels, one at normal gain and one recording at a lower gain to protect you from being stuck with loud, unusable audio when you're recording out in the field. The transmitters can also thankfully record the audio on this internal 8 gigabytes of memory if there's an issue with any connection, like if the camera and receiver weren't plugged in all the way. Recording directly to the transmitter means that none of that matters. You can record up to 14 hours of audio on each transmitter. The receiver itself measures 0.7 by 1.3 by 1.8 inches and weighs about an ounce. It also has a hot shoe adapter for mounting to appropriate cameras. One note here, the Lightning adapter only supports the mono mode, but the USB-C and 3.5mm out support all three recording modes. Also included are some extra accessories, included a faux leather carrying bag, USB-C to USB able to connect all the devices to your computer, a small 3.5mm cable to connect the receiver to the camera, and two windsocks for your microphones. The system sells at $329 and is currently very difficult to get. I, for one, was lucky when I saw Best Buy place it on their store website. I bought it and then within 15 minutes the item was sold out. It's also been sold out on a lot of online sites as well, like Amazon and B&H. As far as the microphones are concerned, you can mic two people simultaneously, and you can use both mics in a mono mode or record them together for a stereo sound. And the mics sound great. They're clear, easy to understand, and it's a good device for recording vocals overall. Hey everybody, it's EDdocgamer coming at you with a volume and microphone test of the DJI Mic. So right now I am just walking around in my office with the DJI Mic attached to the edge of my t-shirt. So what do you think of the audio quality? I think it's great. I already did an interview on the Modern Boomer podcast that me and my friend Damon have. So please like and subscribe to the Modern Boomer because you can check out a lot of really cool men's stuff, tech stuff, gaming stuff, fun and witty commentary. You know it. But our website is www.themodernboomer.com, so make sure you check out that content as well. Thanks a lot, guys. Rhodes Wireless Go 2 is the most well-known competition for the DJI Mic. For $200, you can pick up a single receiver and transmitter, and $300 will get you a two-person kit with two transmitters and the receiver. The Go 2 kit does work with iOS and Android, but additional cables will need to be purchased. I have been an avid DJI fan, and I own their drones, cameras, as well as the DJI Mic. Please check out my other videos on this channel, as well as my channel with my good friend Damo, the Modern Boomer. It's a great place to check out opinions on tech, men's lifestyle, as well as other current events and other hobbies. Check out themodernboomer.com for details. Till next time, guys, have a good one.